What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be throwing in a brand new dash cam in the car. We're going to be checking out the FITCAMX. They basically designed every single one to look as close to factory OEM as possible. So it just really depends on your specific model of the car. It's going to look a certain way. So let's go ahead, pop this thing open, get it installed. Get the dash cam out, got the user manual, some of the accessories for it. So this is going to be going into a Lexus, and this is completely, I already know, it's going to be replacing that top bracket. It's like as if like they have the exact mold of it, man. That's crazy. You're not going to be able to tell it's there, which is really cool. This is the rear camera. I am not going to install today. Okay, I was looking for the SD card, which is right here. This is the cabling for the installation. Cool. I don't even think cabling is a word, but we're going to go with it. All right. Gotta follow these instructions. I'm not sure exactly how they're gonna, like have instructions for every single specific car model, but we'll see how that works. All right, guys, I'm gonna switch over to the car now. We're gonna get in there, install this thing, and record some videos with it, see how it goes. We're going to be replacing this block right back here behind the rear view mirror with this piece over here, which is the camera. And in terms of color, man, it looks spot on, so that is great to see. We're gonna go ahead, take that block off, and show you all the whole process of that. So the instructions were pretty clear. They had a video for the Lexus IS, and this is a Lexus RX, so pretty similar, not exact, but it should be close enough. I mean, that literally slid right out. I gotta kind of unclip this. Pops right out. And then this piece over here, I got this tool for that. Pop that out. There we go. All right, and then I can take this top piece out. The next step is to take out this bottom OEM looking clip right there and then replace it with this cable here. OBD clip plugged in. Okay, now we have to replace these clips onto the dash cam block. So again, I want to note, guys, that this is going to be different for every car model. I'm sure they're going to be pretty similar, but for the most part, this is like cake, man. This is so easy. Now I'm going to get this hooked up. They got a rear camera label right here. I'm going to keep that tucked down there. And then this is the power cord that we're going to plug in to that OBD styled connector. So let's go ahead and slide that in. And then if I want to install the rear dash cam, that goes up through the top pillar. Get all the wires tucked in for cable management. Take this cover. All right, guys, job is done. There she is. I mean, that looks so sick, bro. This is probably one of the coolest dash cams I've ever seen, man, for real. Like, you can't even tell that's there, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That is the sickest dash cam, bro. Here it is from the outside. I mean, you can barely tell it's even there, bro, but that is so sick. The next step will be to download the app, get it connected. It runs through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity. We are now in the vehicle going for a quick little drive. Gonna be testing this thing out. So far, it says it's in 4K, which is dope. This does not have a front-facing cabin camera, which, I mean, can be good because if somebody backs up into you or whatever, and like you happen to be on your phone or your left hand is on the dash and you're looking somewhere else or you sneeze, that can be used against you. So sometimes it's good to just have a front-facing camera, and I think this is definitely the one for that. Now, when it comes to my type of content, which is, Uber content, I definitely do want interior camera. I'm hoping that they do come up with something like that for the near future. Now, I definitely could hook up the rear camera, set that up as kind of a cabin camera, and I might do that through the top pillar or like the side pillars, we'll see. But so far, man, this thing is really cool. I can't view the footage right now because I am driving, but I did check it out through the app earlier when I did hook it up. So far, it looked really good. It has like a live view of when you're actually driving. You can pull it up on your phone and see if it's recording. It shows you everything that's going on. This thing's pretty cool, man. It's so seamless, and I love how it has that OEM look. Like, you can't even tell there's a dash cam just facing out on the street right now. You know, a lot of these dash cams are just really cluttering, bro. They really take up a lot of your window space and dashboard space. They look really ugly, to say the least. But this is the cleanest dash cam I've ever seen. I'm hoping the quality is as good as it looks, so we'll see that in post, but I do have high hopes for it. It did say it's a 4K camera. We'll check out how true that is, because a lot of these cameras do advertise that to be the case, but I guess we'll have to see in post-production. My content is more focused on entertainment than technicality, but these guys were nice enough to send me a dash cam, and I definitely do want to give them a quick little review and shout out. So yeah, guys, that's the review of the FITCAMX Dash Cam. Love this thing. Really great camera. Appreciate you guys for watching, man. If you guys are interested in purchasing, there will be a link in the bio below. We're gonna be coming at y'all with some Uber content soon, bro. I've been on a crazy hiatus, man. Life's been wild. The Uber thing kind of like took off, and I was like, all right, let me ride that wave, make the most out of this. But I don't really feel like an Uber content creator, bro. It's just not what I'm really meant to be doing. So sorry for the lack of uploads, but at the end of the day, like, if y'all stick with me, bro, y'all know like my real purpose is making music, and that's really all I'm here to do, man. So the Uber stuff, that's been a fun ride, bro. I do got some more videos coming out, but it's not gonna be a long-term thing. But anyways, man, I appreciate y'all for watching, bro. I love y'all. We'll catch y'all soon, guys. Peace.